Southern Couture, and today I'm excited to show you guys how I am using the Cricut BrightPad and to give you just a quick little tutorial so you can get started using one as well. So the Cricut BrightPad is basically this little, it's a very thin, lightweight device that has this LED light that shines so that you can use it for different projects to make it easier to see. The back of it is in this beautiful mint color, and it has little rubber grippers on the back to keep your page or your pad from moving. And then you have where you just plug it in up here at the top, and then you also have a power button that you hold down to turn it on, and then you have up and down for settings for the light. So if you wanted to go down to the lowest setting and then continue all the way up to the brightest, which is what I have it on when I am weeding vinyl. You can use this to use for tracing and other things, and depending on what material you're using, you may want to adjust that brightness so that it is easier to see your lines or your paper. So I have cut out this vinyl, and as you can see, it is in some very, very, very intricate little lines and cuts that needed to be weeded. And so I went ahead and done the majority of it because I'm sure you guys don't want to sit and watch me weed. So I'm going to show you the bottom ones, and I hope that you can see on here the lines through there. And you may not be able to see it just perfectly, but I'm going to show you. It's very, very easy and quick to see the lines through with the light and be able to weed them. And with designs this intricate, you could very easily take your tool and weed the wrong part and have your whole design messed up. And so you really don't want to do that. You don't want to be straining your eyes, and the BrightPad makes it easy. I have weeded this entire thing with all these little intricate cuts in just a few minutes. But one thing that I am using is the weeding tool from Cricut. This is in their essential tool set. I believe you can also buy it separate. I'll have links to all of these products down below, but I just want to mention this has a sharp point on the top of it that helps you to be able to pick up that vinyl. So for this little part right here, I just try to get my tip into where I can see there's a little cut there. I try to pull it up under that, and that helps grab it up. You can also pierce it through that vinyl. And then I also use my finger sometimes to help me go ahead and pull it back. And so that's all there is to it. Let me see if I can hold this up a little bit closer for you, and I'm hoping that you can see the cut lines through the with the light. But if you cannot, I apologize, but please rest assured this light is so bright that it makes it so much easier to do these cuts or to do the weeding. And so there is a tiny little intricate piece right there, and there we go. It was so easy to see this, and to be honest, I have steered away from using designs that are this detailed and intricate because it just takes so much time to weed it, and then if I get almost done and having to mess up one part, I have to start over. And so now that I have the BrightPad, I hopefully will be using more intricate designs. I plan to, because I really love them. I love the style of the flowers and the leaves with the vines. It's a really pretty cut, and it makes it so easy to weed it using the BrightPad. So that's all there is to it. The BrightPad is very simple. You just plug it in, turn it on, and then adjust your light setting the way that you prefer. So if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And I will also be sharing another video of how I'm using this cut and what I'm using it with. So be sure to check that out, and I will talk to you guys again very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.